Finding the missing angle in a quadrilateral. You're with Mr Rossi and we're answering this question. This is a parallelogram. What is angle A? Now, we need to know the total for what happens if you add up all the angles in a quadrilateral. And we know if you add up all the angles in a quadrilateral, it makes 360 degrees. So we're going to start with 360 degrees and take away the other three angles, 1, 2, 3, and then we will find angle A. Well, the problem is, how do we know what these other two angles are? We need to use our knowledge of a parallelogram. And in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are the same. So this is 120, so that means this is also going to be 120 degrees. This one, we don't know, but we know it's going to be the same as angle A. So really we've got two angle A's. So let's take away what we do know. We can take away these two angles, and if we take away 120 and 120, then really we're taking away 240. So let's take away the 240 from the total, which is 360. 0 from 0 is 0. 6 take away 4 is 2, and 3 take away 1 is 1. So 120 degrees. So 120 degrees are these two angles put together. Angle A plus another angle A makes 120 degrees. So how will we get, let's just write that down, 2 angle A's, or 2A, equals 120 degrees. So how will we get 1 angle A? Well, if the two of them together make 120, then to get one of them, we'll have to halve it. So that means this should be 60 degrees, and this one should also be 60 degrees. Now, how can we check ourselves? See if you can work out a method to do that. Okay, so let's see, did you add up all of the angles to see if they made 360 degrees? We can do that very quickly, because 120 plus 120 is 240. We've already got that there. And if we add on the 60 and 60, which makes 120, so 240 plus 120 makes 360. So we know that angle A is 60 degrees.